The Golf R is the downplayed and underrated absolute opposite of its super-hot hatchback adversaries, for example, the Ford Focus RS, Subaru WRX STI, and Honda Civic Type R. Its blend of execution and common sense is normal, yet its consistent mixing of those two key traits is one of a kind. Over that, the R outmaneuvers everything in the classification with the most refined styling all around. Its place at the pinnacle of the unmatched Volkswagen Golf family has helped it win numerous 10 Best honors, including for 2018. In any case, the similarly adorable and fundamentally more affordable Golf GTI upstages it. In like manner, the R-evaluated variant does not have the strict and allegorical wild side of the in-your-face options. In any case, this game minimizes a double risk, a champ on both the track and the circular drive. The 2018 Golf R lineup has been merged from 2 to 1, with the more elevated amount dynamic chassis control, DCC, and navigation show turning into the sole decision. This delivers already discretionary highlights, for example, versatile dampers and all dynamic security helps to standard. The motor includes programmed stop, begin innovation however is generally unaltered, and the double grip programmed transmission includes a 7th rigging. Minor outside updates incorporate LED headlights and taillights. The inside gets a standard 8.0-inch touchscreen, up from 6.5 creeps in 2017, and an adaptable instrument show called Digital Cockpit. Similarly as with each other 2018 Volkswagen, guarantee scope increments to 6 years or 72,000 miles of restricted and powertrain assurance. We can't shroud our fondness for the Golf R's more moderate kin, the close flawless GTI, which begins at $26,415. Be that as it may, for purchasers who need a definitive Golf, the $36,475 R-appraised variant, with standard all-wheel drive and a pack more stallions in the engine, is it. Perfectionists will be satisfied with the standard 6-speed manual transmission, however the discretionary 6-speed double-grip programmed, $1,100, is both speedier and a superior option for driving. Our optimal pick would combine the programmed transmission with the upscale DCC and Navigation trim level, which includes as standard 6.5-inch touchscreen interface with navigation and Apple CarPlay, Android Auto. Heated front sport seats with 12-way power-adjustable driver's seat. Sport suspension tuning, adaptive dampers, and 19-inch wheels. Adaptive xenon headlights.